Assalamu alaikum, greetings. Check out the wholesale market for almost everything. Clothes, underwear, hats. No, don't look. Don't look there. No, don't look there. So, there are lots of floors. Keep going, we will find it. There are lots of floors, and each floor has a different category. And we're gonna go to the children's category because we need to buy a bicycle. Check out how many hats are here. Huh? Things are really cheap here as well. Oh man, there's just almost everything you can find at wholesale prices here. Oh, okay, go from there up. All right, so I'll keep showing you. Or you just keep looking around. Look at that. Ooh, tasty food. Slippers, household cleaning items, tapes. Oh, tapes! I need masking tapes here. Masking tapes for my work. I'm gonna come back here. Where did they go? Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Huge, this market. As I told you, almost everything is here. Belts, bags, belts, bags, nice bags, fanny packs, suitcases, more belts and stuff. And we are going up. Man, I told ya, this market is wholesale for almost everything, and you can buy cheaper stuff only if you know how to bargain. You can get good stuff really cheap. Now, if you want to do some home business, this is the place to come buy stuff at wholesale for whatever home business you want to start, and then sell it on retail prices. Check it out. LCDs, or pictures stuff, blenders, watches, kitchen stuff, kitchenware, business money counting machines. Money counting machines. Wish I had that much money. I'll come here to buy money counting machines. And here we have bicycles. So, come on kiddos, check which bicycle you want to buy. Don't settle on one shop. You have so many shops. You have to watch what you like and then bargain for it. Normally what you do is, when I come to buy at these kind of places, when they tell you prices, it's because my foreigner face. So I will offer them half the price what they will say, and then haggle from there. It's true, really. It is true. So we have got two bicycles, and they fit pretty nice in my car. I love my Citroen C5 Aircross. You two happy now?
Yeah.
What do you need to say? Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Alright, so we'll go home, we'll enjoy these bicycles inshallah, okay? So, mashallah, Hadi got it and he's learning. Yeah, push, and then put both foot up and balance. Learn to balance. Look forward, don't look down, look forward. So that is Hadi's bicycle, and that is Arish's new bicycle. How does it ride?
Very nice.
Very nice? Alhamdulillah. So Hadi got 20 inch, and Arish got 18 inch. Come on, let's take a picture. My toys are here. And we got the poly putty, yes, polyester putty, so that I can prepare my surfboard.